Hi, this is Kevin with KGM owner of ProAdvertisersClub, a totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com and join for free today and start advertising for free. Okay, this is the rewards today for the, remember, this is the free account where I am not DCA-ing at all or putting any money in out of pocket other than the initial $10 spell book, which you have to purchase in order to participate in the game. Now, you can play the game for free, but you can't earn anything and you can't win any rewards or anything like that. So, but once you pay that, it's you're in for life. But that's per account. So if you opened up another account, you have to purchase another spell book. And from what I know, you can have as many accounts as you want. So anyway, so today I opened up 15 chests, and these are the cards I got. I think one of them is a rare. I think that one is, or no, this one is. And then I got 22 DEC, 2 each of the potions, and a total value of 29 cents. Okay. That's for that's for today. Yesterday, I only got 10 cents and 5 chests. So things got a little bit better, and I actually spent a little bit more time. Here is the entire summary of June for 2022. It's only halfway through, but these are all the free stuff I've gotten out of the chest. Everybody gets this. If you play no matter what level, you win chests depending on what level you are, and you get these free reward cards, DEC, credits, packs, etc., potions. And so this is the entire list. 3 of these, 2 of these, 2 of these, and then 1 of all the rest. I think that's the best card I have is the Epic. Maybe not the best card to use, but the most, the highest tier. And then I've gotten a total of 93 DEC. I've got a total of 13 chest or potions, and I've opened a total of 41 chests so far for a value of $1.19. Okay, here is the total value, 72 cents, starting from 0. All these cards have been won out of chests. Collection power is 340. And a total of 15 cards, 31. And where are we at on this? I'm juggling 2 accounts all of a sudden, so I'll eventually have a little bit more better of a system. I might combine them. The Gathering the Magic went ahead and combined. He was making 3 separate videos. I think he realized it's a lot easier if he just does all 3 at once. But here's the problem. What if you don't got all 3 accounts done at once? So that only works if that happens. And both of these accounts I had done differently. The other account I have is the Splinterlands at 10,000. That's where I put $10 in every other day, dollar cost averaging. So here's out of that 3,000, I've only got 1,914 left. I've already spent 1,000 in 3 days credits. I haven't spent any DEC. I'm just accumulating them, but I'm definitely going to run out at this pace because things only get more expensive as the season goes. So I like gold. I'm running gold cards. I'm thinking about staying in silver for a while. I'd like to get up into diamond. That's where I am in the other account. But with not putting any money in, I could run out of money depending on what I don't win in the chest and how much I use up on the rentals. So I tell you, I'm enjoying this account a little bit more than the other one because this is a lot more challenging. When you're DCAing in every other day, you can go buy maxed out. I just bought my first legendary maxed out card for under $10. So that's great. And I'm building up the asset value that way, plus by the reward system and everything else. But this, you pretty much, you better be paying attention to what you're doing. Otherwise, you're going to bog down. And once you bog down, you're at the mercy of whatever bronze can give you which isn't going to be much. And it's a lot slower. It's going to take a lot longer to build this up, but that's the challenge. So anyway, let's go look at some numbers real quick, and that'll be it. Here, 30 chests daily is the max you can have. 150 for end of season. The capture rate, gold cards. That's why I'm playing the gold, renting the gold cards. Alpha, Bravo, and Promo. Join a guild, win streak. All these will give you higher percentages to help you battle the capture rate, which is constantly seems to be below 50 these days. And that's not good. You want to be above 70, but what can you do? Go check out these YouTubers, Ashley NFT Gaming, Bulldog1206, Infidel 12 or Dwayne Cunningham, Luke Plays to Earn, Walking Keys and Gank, Gank and Walking Keys. I got that because them guys are always arguing on whose name is first. So anyway, that's why I do that. Gathering the Magic. He's doing 3 accounts, which that's one more than what I'm doing. That's I don't know how he's got time to do it, but 2 of them are bronze and 1 silver, and I'm using him. I'm going to compare what I'm getting in diamond and see, is it worth it to go to diamond? It might not be. I mean, it's hell right now trying to get up to diamond. It might be better to stay down in bronze until, you can start accumulating cards that you don't have to rent. It's not that one strategy is right over than the other. It's what you want to do, but you do want to compare the what one level's doing compared to the other. And the only way to do that is look at multiple accounts from different YouTubers that are posting what they're getting on those chests. Because even just 2 people doing it could be kind of off. But when you start getting 5, 6, 8 videos you're watching that, and it's clearly bronze is better than you can do better in bronze than you can in diamond, then yeah, that's how you're going to come to a decision. But the odds are way better up in diamond, so you don't have to get as many chests. The multiplier on the DEC can really kick in. The drawback is you're going to get your butt whipped and pay out a lot trying to rent cards to beat these guys, because evidently a lot of champions and diamonds are dropping down and they're not leaving. They used to get pushed down, beginning of season and fight their way back up, but they seem to be sticking around now because maybe they know something we don't, or they think it's better in the lower levels and maybe it's not. You got to accumulate a whole bunch of data, which we just don't have yet because it's so new. Only after we've been playing this for probably 3 months will anybody really be able to say, wow, it's better if I do this, for me anyway. So go to Splinterlands TV on Twitch and weekly AMA every Monday. Splinterlands TV on Twitch, go follow it. They're eventually going to have it 24/7. It's live, but it's also recorded, so you can watch it if you missed it. But it's every hour is a different streamer from all around the world, and some are in different languages. So it's really cool. AMA every Monday, different times, I think. So one more data. Splinterlands free. Yeah, here it is. So I had 53 cents. Now it's up to 72. 15 cards, 31 in the box. Collection powers. These numbers you want going up all the time, and this number you want going back to 0 and then up from there. Now this is going to be easier because I'm starting this out. The market is lowest it's ever been. Can it go lower? Yes, but we might be nearing the bottom. That's what we're hoping for anyway. So without me having to spend any more of my own money, this number might initially look better, showing a little bit more of a profit right now than my other account. But that other account can jump $300 to $500 in one day, and the other account's negative. I just went from 300 to negative 130 in 10 days. So, and it's not the first time that account's been in the negative. It's just the way things are right now. So anyway, there's my numbers. Got any questions, answers, leave it in the descriptions. I'll probably do them all on the other video. I don't want to mix it up. And I'm probably going to end up combining these two, but I'm finding it's hard to run two accounts and synchronize them to the same time. And the 24-hour focus, although I like it more, it does make it harder, because if you want to do it at a certain time in the day, then you got to be there at that point to do it. Otherwise, the focus pauses and doesn't start the new 24-hour cycle till you claim the chest. So if my focus example ends at 3 o'clock in the afternoon and I don't get to it till 10 o'clock at night, my new focus starts at 10 o'clock at night. So what if the other account is at 2 o'clock? And that's the problem. The logistics. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. So please like and subscribe. Join in any links below. Remember, this is not financial advice. It's entertainment only. Listen to me at your own risk. This is for entertainment purposes only. Thank you and have a nice night.